That thing in my hand is called Ikenga, and Ikenga is like a totem, it's like an effigy that helps the man concentrate his power, the powers of his soul, his spirit, his body. He unifies all and is able to wield them. It's like Thor's hammer. Men make this and they keep it as like a sacred possession that they have, and every time the man has a very important task that he needs to charge his Ikenga, that way, you know, the Ikenga helps him focus all of his powers and energies towards that particular task. And he does that by making an offering, sometimes of white powder, nzo, or drink, or cola, or a chicken, and then he makes a promise to make another offering should he succeed. And when he goes out, succeeds at whatever he's working on. So whether he's fighting in a battle, or he's engaging in some form of contest, or maybe he's starting a new business, and at the end he succeeds, he returns back to his Ikenga and offers whatever is promised. And the Ikenga is usually signified by some carvings that has the likeness of a person, you know, with a head, sometimes arms, and wielding a form of weapon. And sometimes the Ikenga has horns, so irrespective of whether it's wielding a dangerous weapon or it has horns, whether it looks mean or looks nice, it helps the man concentrate his powers. And should the Ikenga fail to help this man channel his powers appropriately, the man destroys it. You know, he splits it with the axe and uses it for firewood. And that's why I did say at the beginning that it's none of those other stuff people kind of think it is. Either way, you think, okay, maybe it's a deity, some special spirit, and if you destroy it, it would fight back. No, you're the Ikenga. You know, the Ikenga is you. It lives inside of you. This is only a representation that helps you to kind of do the thing. So if you've been following the Thor movies, when Thor's hammer gets destroyed, he kind of feels, okay, well, I think I lost it. But eventually he realizes that the power has always been in him. The power of Thor was never in the hammer. The power of Thor has always been in the man. The hammer only kind of helps him express it, and that's kind of what the Ikenga does. And when a man dies, his Ikenga must be destroyed, because then there would be no further use for them. So what do you think about this practice? Do you have one? Do you still have this practice active where you come from? And is it something you'd be interested in getting for your personal use at some point? So let's talk about this in the comment section, and do well to hit the like button, leave comments, share this video, and get across to friends and family and just about anybody who might want to watch, and also to people who might not want to learn all about the Ikenga. And absolutely, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified every time we make new content. Don't forget to watch more videos on the channel. That's the only way you help us grow. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.